Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I've got an unboxing for you. I literally just got in the mail maybe 10 minutes ago my curated bead box for September, and I cannot wait to open it. But first, before we get started on that, I'm going to ask again, please, 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 please like my videos. It helps my channel to grow. And also my goal is I need 1,000 more watch hours and 125 more subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And please watch my videos all the way through. When you skip or you fast forward, it doesn't count towards my watch hours. So I need to get that up. My goal is to have my 4,000 watch hours and my 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I'm asking you, please help me make that happen. Anyways, with that being said, now that we've gotten the work out of the way, this month's curated bead box is called Woodland Wonders, and I cannot wait to open this. I have not opened it yet. So we are going to see this together. I'm going to take a pair of scissors here and just cut this tape real quick. And we are going to get started opening this. Oh, I'm so excited. Woo, excited. Pretty. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to set my box over here so I can read what we've got. First off, we have 10mm apple green style marble beads. These are very pretty. They're very light green, almost white. I love those. They're very pretty. Next, we have olive crackle glass beads. Now, I've gotten these before in some of my other kits, and I've made some really pretty green things with the leaf pendants with this. I love these two things together. This is just amazing. It's like light and dark, but it's green. Next, we have 10mm Malcolite gemstone beads. And so this is this dark, leafy green color, and it's variegated, so this bead's darker than some of the other beads, and I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but these three together, I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. I like it in this order, too. I had it this way. That would be okay, but I really like it this way. I love this so far. Next, we have 8mm green-red duo gemstone style glass beads, and that is these. And I just looked at this, and for whatever reason, I thought of apples. I don't know why. Maybe because it's becoming fall, but that just reminded me of apples. This is a very late summer, definitely a late summer color palette. Next, we have 8mm brown green crackle frost duo glass beads. And that's these. So these are very light brown, frosted green. I mean, that goes very well with, ooh, I like that there. Next to those. I'm already getting ideas, guys, so we're going to be having some fun. Next, we have aqua orange crackle frosted duo beads. And so that's, that's definitely fall. I have these, like, these kinds of things. I have these in my stash. I love them. You can do so many things with them because with this green or this aqua and the orange, I can do an orange red with a little pop of green, or I can do something green with a little pop of orange, or I could do a combination of orange and green and reds and make a fall style bracelet with that, or earrings or necklace, whatever. I'm just getting so many ideas. Next, we have 8mm green aventurine gemstones, and these are very like jade-like color, but they're aventurine and they're very pretty. I can see them going with these beads here. They go well with this aqua bead. They go well with, so you've got a ton. Next, we have 8mm Jasper gemstone beads. And I'm assuming that's what these are, the Jasper. They're gray with some oranges, some browns. So that's just a little pop of black, almost purple, if you will. And then we have 6mm bronze drizzle style glass beads. And I love these. They've got these little, and you can't really see them, and I know you're probably going to be getting the kit soon, but they've got these little, like, lines on them, like somebody just drizzled color over them. I love those. I have a lot of those too in my stash. Next, we have approximately 1 ounce designer harvest style glass beads, and I'm assuming that's what these are. And so I'm going to take it out of the bag. They've got some really random shapes and some more of those really weird drilled, like these are drops. So I can see us making something fun with those. Maybe some earrings. I can see actually taking these and making some wire wrapped earrings like I've done before with maybe some fabric, maybe some flowers, some leaf petals, maybe doing a shibori style. I'm trying to get these all back in. And if you're wondering why I'm putting everything back into my into the bags right now, is because I'm working on a program that I'm trying to figure out how to better price my jewelry. And so the program's going to accept the cost of the beads, how many beads you used for your piece of the different types of beads, and then you're going to, it'll tell you what your cost is based on your hourly rate that you want to charge for your time. And then it'll spit you out a wholesale cost, a retail price level 1, retail price level 2, etc., etc. I'm trying to build it in Excel, so I may be sharing that with y'all in the near future, so stay tuned. It's still a work in progress. So, but what I want to do is I want to count the number of beads on each one of these, write it on the box before I open them up, so that then I can take the box and figure out prices for each one of these beads. Anyways, back to our unboxing. Next, we have 10mm gold round iron bead. So that's these. They jingle. These are definitely metal. You can hear the jingle in them. I love those. Those are big hole. Those are really cool. They've mixed their color. They mixed their metals in this one. And which is fine. We can mix our metals. I'm not a big fan of that, but we can do it. Next, we have 8mm round silver filigree metal beads, and there's 40 of them. Those are very pretty. These are very delicate. Again, metal, they jingle. Next is 14 by 10 silver luster faceted bicone beads. These are really pretty. I'm taking these out of the bag to look at them. We've gotten these before. I love these. They're so pretty. Depending on what side you're looking at, depends on what the color looks like, but they sparkle. And that's what I love about them, is they sparkle. So when you put them next to something matte like that, for example, and I actually like those two together, that pops. It really pops. So it makes the matte look better. It makes these look better, and I've literally put those with that, and I like that. So we're probably going to do something with that. Next, we have 62 by 32 millimeter silver leaf metal pendants. And these look like the leaves that I have that are skeletons, but these are metal. So those are really, really pretty. I like those. I think those will definitely probably be some earrings out of that. There'll be some big earrings, but they'll be earrings. I'm going to put those back in the bag. If I can find the bag, there we go. So what they've got a front and a back, because if you notice, the front has a little leaf detail here. And then the back has no leaf detail. And we'll set that there. And then next we have a 26 by 20 leaf luster electroplated metal pendant. Ooh, and this is pretty. So I don't know if you can see that. It's got some little intricate details in there. But it's that electroplated. I love that. And then as always, you've got your findings, and they gave us gold. So we've got some memory wire, some bead-alon wire, crimp beads, a, elastic that I always take out because I never use, some head pins, some ear wires, jump rings, and lobster claws. So you get your assortment of findings. So if you're new to beading and you don't have all of this stuff in your stash, this is great because now you've got stuff to work with and stuff to make jewelry. So I'm really liking this month's kit. Oh, this is just awesome. So I'm going to be counting up some beads off camera and then setting up on my tray. And I will show you it set up on my tray in a second. But I think this is amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Actually, I'm just going to set up on the tray off camera, and I will show you what it looks like on the tray when we get together to start beading, because I really want to get going on this. I'm probably going to start playing with this like right after I stop this video. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments about this month's Woodland Wonder collection from Curated Bead Box. I love it, and I'm ready to get started. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.